Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha.
I'm Neha. No, I'm Neha.
I'm Neha!
Oh god.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do. Hey guys again. So as you probably see from the title of this video today, we're going to do the
No arms challenge.
yeah!
Yes, keep that in. Keep that in. And she's like,
Explain that.
in this challenge, what you have to do is one person will sit in the front and the person behind has to use their arms to do the other person sitting in front's face. And the makeup, so basically, like, put your arms through your mouth.
Oh.
Like this. So
Oh my
the
God,
person
so
at the
hard.
back, the person at the back doesn't know what they're doing, so they will just have to try their best. Well, let's see how it goes.
Oh my god.
It
So
should
we're
be.
gonna start. So who's gonna start? Like
I will do yours, and
okay.
then you will do
Mine.
Diction's.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start so.
Do you want to introduce what our names are?
Oh yeah! I'm gonna keep that.
Like, they'll be
So,
like, who's this?
Sorry guys,
I'm
my
Neha.
fault.
Yeah, I'm Neha.
I forgot.
I am.
I forgot to introduce
Stop it
my
now.
two friends.
You know I am.
It's me, Neha.
Okay.
I am Rainbow.
If you if you think so.
Yes.
I'm
I'm sure. I'm
We're all
Neha.
Neha, innit?
Okay.
Okay.
If you say so.
Okay. Oh, do you really want her in this challenge? We can do the video by ourselves. No, just kidding. Sorry, Diksha. Okay, right.
So sorry guys, I forgot to introduce my two friends here. So you guys wanna like introduce yourself? I'm gonna like say something.
I'm Diksha.
And the two.
Give your Instagram name and tell a bit about
Say
yourself.
something, no.
The Instagram name is on the.
It's there, yeah. It's there. Or there.
Yeah,
in the
there,
description
there.
Over
box.
here.
Oh yeah, over here, over here, whatever.
And like you wanna say how?
Hmm?
Like with parents, with friends.
We're friends.
what
We've been living together before. Not anymore. Because we broke up.
Okay, let's go Sajida.
Okay, hi, I'm Sajida. My Instagram name is Makeup by Sajida. I've been Neha's friend for a while now, and Diksha's friend now as well, so yeah.
Pictures for everyone.
And
My-
Neha's friends is 10 years.
Okay, fine.
Like that, 10
Fine.
years.
Okay, okay,
That's fine.
It's okay, she's been friends for longer.
Okay.
I'm so pretty, look at me. Look at me. Right, I think, yeah.
Which
I have to
part?
do it like this because there's no way I'm going to reach.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right,
Any
it
that.
doesn't matter because it's going to look like shit.
You know what? I'm probably gonna make like this video in two parts. Part 1, part 2.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah, because it's gonna be too long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For just two
Yeah,
people.
one clip. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Steady,
Okay.
go!
Take
I mean,
this.
if
Yeah.
you.
Okay, close your eyes and then close your mouth.
Mm.
Oh shit, I'm so scared. Where's your forehead?
Where is it?
This is so bad. Come on, it's okay. I'll get it.
It's the primer.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Like you want me like more?
I don't even know where anything is right now. Wait. I swear I'm good at doing makeup. I swear I'm good. Give me...
She's really good, by the way.
Yeah,
If-
follow me on Insta.
Exactly. She got like two. Can I say that?
Yeah.
She got like two Instagram page. So one the personal one, and the
Permission.
second one is like the business.
The Makeup by Sajida, and then my personal one is
Exactly.
Sajida78.
Yeah, and you can find all the link in the description down below.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Diksha, okay.
Okay.
Oh my god, which one is that?
It's foundation.
No, yeah, which foundation is that?
I don't know.
Diksha?
Urban Decay.
Oh my god, you know what?
What?
I'm so... Is the wrong like shade? Oh my god! Mom been mom. No, like the foundation is too light for me right now.
too light. Okay.
It's gonna be so funny.
Oh, I'm not allowed to look at your face. Alright, you got it on. Where's your nose?
What? How many pressure you got?
Just one. That's my.
Oh no, I can use my.
Okay.
What is this? Concealer.
Where's your mouth?
This one is concealer. How many concealers do you have?
Quite a lot.
I just have 2.
Oh my god, Diksha, get one.
No, you shouldn't have been watching yourself.
Oh yeah.
You should have been a surprise.
I'm gonna close my eyes
Okay,
from
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Now.
Oh, there's...
Oh my god, I've got all the foundation on my hands and not on her face.
You need the one.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna use my fingers.
It's gonna be a nice makeup.
By the way,
You're very
guys,
beautiful, Neha.
there is a part 2 of this video, so
Keep watching.
keep watching that. Like, subscribe to my channel so you can see the part 2 as well if you want to, obviously. And I'm gonna do like Diksha makeup. Diksha, show your face.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be like, Moja.
You're going to be doing the no arm challenge with Diksha.
And I'm gonna be the person.
Yeah, sitting
Here.
in front. And Neha's going to be putting the makeup on. Diksha. Okay, I think that's.
Is the hard like to do?
It's very hard.
Oh fuck, I'm really
I
scared.
don't know if you've got some pigmentation there. Because I don't know if I've covered it with original. Okay.
What else do you need now?
Now, can I have some powder? Where's her face?
What's
Where's her
funny?
face? Where's her face?
What's-
I'm putting it on her mouth. What am I putting it? Okay. Oh shit. This is so funny. Okay. I'm scared. Is it going on her clothes?
I can feel something in
Okay,
my.
go look. Shh. Where's her eye? Oh, there.
Oh my god.
This is so hard. Let me just do it all. I give up. Let's just powder it all. Should be. I hope it looks decent.
You'll see the result. Neha, is it good?
It's really good. It tastes so good.
This is so hard.
I'm so scared now. Do it
Shit.
with Diksha.
Eyebrows.
Oh my god. Good luck.
Right, eyebrows next, please.
No one is talking. Okay.
I'm trying not to breathe at this point.
Okay.
Bad diction. Really bad.
Diksha's laughing, so it's problem.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh.
Was I doing good until then? I don't even know where it is gone.
I can feel it on my nose.
Sorry. Wait. That's so hard. Okay, next one.
I literally feel it
Okay.
in my nose. Is that normal?
It's like that.
Later we should do a close-up.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, suck in your cheeks. Okay. Contour that jaw, don't forget. Is it too dark? I don't know, let me blend it out a bit. Okay, let me come to this side now. Diksha, your turn's next, yeah?
Yeah, I know. I'm worried.
Nice blush.
The Milani one.
It's
I
the one that
really
you
like
told me.
this. Oh, I think it's a bit much. I've just put on there.
Yeah, it's really pigments, that's all.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You
Smile.
I don't know if you I don't know if you remember, like, you said to me that it's really good, the Milani one.
Yeah, yeah,
So for
yeah.
the reason I bought it.
Oh, I really like it. African My Girl. Is it still available, this colour?
I don't know.
I really
Probably,
like the
yeah.
colour. It's nice.
But,
It's got gold
yeah.
flecks. Show the camera, Diksha.
It's really, really cool. Diksha will focus, right?
Yes. You know I can't see from phone.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's that blusher done. Now give me eyeshadow.
Can we check it?
Top
You gonna do
5
another?
favorite products.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that video here. So if you wanna like check this video out as well, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Oh God.
Diksha.
Nothing.
You know that is your turn later.
Hmm?
It's your turn later.
This is so
Yeah.
hard to do.
Yeah, I know. I
Okay.
know.
Let me take that and then let me put some glitter on it. Okay.
Ooh.
Now give me highlight.
Oh, do you want the eyeliner?
Oh yeah, yeah, forgot that. God, that's gonna be hard. It's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, you know.
I know. I'm scared now.
Okay. I'm sure it looks great until now. Okay.
Oh.
Shit, where am I? Shit. Have I even got it on your face? Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can like feel it.
That's the end of your eye. Okay.
You wanna like
Yeah, take
take
that off.
it?
That's the end of your eye. So let's try and do wing liner. Don't know, is it touching your face, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully that's the wing liner. Is it bad? Oh god. Okay. Oh sorry, I was looking at that. That's not. Okay. Bit more.
Oh, you need to put also mascara.
Oh no, that's dangerous. We'll forget that mascara was I'll poke our eye out.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
without opening the eye. Just put it from
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
I'm having fun.
Where is it? It's eye.
I think you got more makeup in your hand than in mine.
Yeah. Like, where are you? Everyone?
I can literally feel.
Okay. Oh god, that's a nice highlight you've chosen.
Which one is that?
You will know later on.
Okay.
Is there a wet wipe there? I need to wipe my hand.
Oh.
Where's your nose? Nose. Bridge of the nose. cheek. Is it showing off at the cheek? Do I need to add more?
You need to add a bit more. Yeah, you can't see it. No, for real, you can't see it.
Now?
This is enough.
Are you making
This is
it
enough.
Is she looking like a clown? Oh my god. Oh my days.
Diksha.
This is so hard.
Don't laugh too much. It's your turn. After me.
Lipstick now.
Lipstick, yay.
Uh-oh. I'm probably gonna like have lipstick from me all over my face. It's gonna be so hard. Oh my god.
Okay. Should I show the camera? Can you show the camera?
This is the lipstick which I chose.
Which one is that?
You don't need to know.
Oh no. Diksha, what have you done? Where's your lips? Okay.
How good,
No,
like,
don't. Just give you lips. I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty again. Where's your lip?
oh,
Don't
my
open-
dude!
Don't open your mouth! Okay, here we go. Here we go. The bottom lip now. Just touch it up. Make it look lovely. Okay.
Lovely.
We're done. Let's have a look.
Oh, we need
Wait,
to
where's
give
the
her
mirror?
a mirror. Where's the
Don't
mirror?
open your
Neha?
eyes.
Should be down.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready.
It's up to you. You want to see the big one or the normal one?
Normal one, so I
No,
can
okay.
see your face. 1, 2, 3.
Look at your reaction.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's awful. And she's got it in her teeth. Oh my god.
It's kind of like a purple makeup look, like
Yeah,
I am
it's
a rainbow.
Unicorn.
I am a rainbow.
unicorn.
It's a unicorn look. Listen, it's going to be the new trend, yeah? Don't worry.
Exactly.
It's all going to be good. Let me see. Oh my days. At least I got this eyebrow right. Isn't it? Look, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, that eyebrow.
Kind of.
And the eyeshadow's good. Look, look.
Yeah, kind
Yeah,
of.
that shadow. I really like that shadow. I like that shadow.
The highlight on the nose is just...
It's quite far.
I think I should have used a smaller brush.
But yeah, I like the shadow and the foundation.
Look at the mascara. Mascara is good.
Yeah, the foundation's
Look at
okay.
the-
It's kind
here.
of warming.
Wait, what is that?
Foundation.
A foundation. Can you see the difference between my skin?
It is a nice colour on you. It's just that it needs to be blended out a bit more, I think. Isn't it?
Because
It's warming. It's warming.
Yeah, it's a nice makeup.
Yeah, yeah.
The big every day. The blush.
We should have done a challenge where you walk down to the shop and go and buy something. You have to go into like a Superdrug or a Boots.
Yeah, where
And
they sell
buy. You're selfridges. Yes. Oh my god, can you imagine their faces? I will film it. Yeah, let's go. And you buy makeup, like just or pretend. Say, you know, what do you think of my makeup? Say to them, you know, I've tried really hard, and I don't know. Say to them, I'm colourblind. Yeah. So they don't know that she can't see colour properly, so she's done this. Say yeah, and see what they say. Say, my eyesight isn't great either.
Oh my God.
And then let's see if they're kind. Let's see if they're like, oh yeah, you did a good job, or oh no.
Yeah,
And they won't know.
Let's do it.
They won't know I'm filming them because I'll be somewhere else. I'll be at another counter. Okay, we'll think about it.
Yeah, we'll think about
Otherwise,
that.
we can do it another day. But yeah, we'll see.
No,
What time is it?
Wait,
Fine.
guys. If you heard all this, like, comment down below if you like this. Yeah, like, I think.
I really think we should do it today.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My face. No!
No, I'll never look at it.
Oh,
We have to get your reaction.
Reaction.
Come here. Bend down like here.
Yes.
Come here. Now come into the camera. Yeah. Now shut right.
Oh my god!
Oh, you want some setting spray?
Yes, let's do that. Oh my days. Right.
now.
No. Well, we're going into Selfridges now.
You're gonna
she
have to
has
make up
go up to people and say, what do you think of my makeup?
Oh my god.
It would be nice, Neha.
Yeah, it'd be nice. I'm sure people will be polite. They're gonna be like, yeah.
Guys, this is the final result. Can't even see it.
So pretty.
Well, put your headband.
You can see the right look. I know, yeah.
You need
This
to
is
go
the
out
wedding
like
makeup
this.
you're gonna have. Wedding
Wedding
makeup. Yeah. This is the new bridal, baby. Yeah. Work it.
I am
work
rainbow.
it. Work it.
I am rainbow wedding.
Rainbow wedding. Yeah.
So, it's the end of this video, guys. There is a part 2 where I'm gonna put some makeup on diksha face. And warm. Oh yeah, leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And
better.
comment down below and what you
subscribe.
think about this video, obviously, of this video.
This
of the-
look.
Yeah, exactly. And subscribe to my channel and go to follow these two ladies here. Yeah.
I don't know what I was doing there.
Yo.
And make sure to subscribe to my channel because there is the part 2 as well. So yes, that's fine. That's it. Only that. That's fine. That's it. Bye. See you in the next one.
See ya.
See you.